Hello Crystal Souls. Today I decided to make a little special video about a wonderful crystal which is very rare, but a wonderful crystal for those who are fortunate again to own this. I'm talking about Brazilianite. Unfortunately, I have very small stone of Brazilianite which I purchased lately at thecrystalage.com. A wonderful small crystal, yellowish greenish and very higher in the energy. This crystal, in my experience, connects with the heart chakra and the solar plexus chakra. And it works healing your emotions, and if you have heart problems and the solar plexus, when it boosts your energy, it boosts your bravery, and it boosts your desire to follow your path for achieving your goals and dreams. The Brazilianite can help people express themselves more emotionally, and especially people who have problem being emotional. And the Brazilianite can raise the consciousness of this state of emotions and make people want to release those emotions, and especially is helping very good for emotional trust when you are clutched in too much emotions which are unnecessary, especially towards people, or especially you remember bad things about people. I call it clogging energy, which means it's like a sink. When the sink is clogged, it cannot flush away. The Brazilianite is great flusher of those emotions. Working for the solar plexus, it makes people who are not very encouraged or motivated to go to achieve their goals. When you're trapped in situation, professional or private situation, which requires some fast action to heal, or action to fix some problems, the Brazilianite can help you find the right path to this resolution of the problem. The ancient civilizations used the Brazilianite for healing, especially the Atlantis. The Atlantis were very familiar with the energy of the crystals, and the crystal healing was very popular in this civilization. As you know, the Atlantis is destroyed by crystal energy which is bad used by bad people. The Brazilianite is really high energy, and it can uplift your joy, can uplift your mood, can uplift your mood for doing everything constructive. I also use Brazilianite for connecting with the natural spirits. The nature of my work, the nature of my consciousness is with the natural spirits. When I work with natural spirits, I usually need crystal with high vibration so I could raise my consciousness and I can connect the spirits. The Brazilianite can help you into your astral travel. When you travel in another plane, in another world, it's not only open the portals for you traveling into those planes, but it also protects you. A wonderful crystal, and very rare crystal, and very underestimated crystal. Unfortunately, I cannot find a bigger piece, or if I find a bigger piece, it's unfortunately very expensive. So, if you have a chance, if you have some wish and desire to try to work with Brazilianite, I recommend this crystal. Such a beautiful piece of stone, beautiful piece of crystal. If you want to manifest your dreams, if you want to see your goals, if you want to see clearly the situation and the state you are in, you can use Brazilianite. Since I bought this stone, I can say I'm never regretting any minute spent with this stone. So go out and buy this crystal, go on the internet, purchase this crystal, and I'm sure that you are not going to regret working with this beautiful piece of crystal. I'm sending you all my love, all my blessings, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye from me for now, and see you next time, guys. Namaste.